Welcome back to Nomadic Treats, where we bring the world into your kitchen. Today we're heading to France. We will be making a delicious, fancy-looking asparagus tart in the easiest real-life way possible, using ready-made shortcut pastry, simple ingredients, and a normal home kitchen. Full ingredients list is in the video description. Let's go. The asparagus you're looking at here comes straight from our garden. Different sizes, different shapes. Nothing like the neat uniform bundle you'd pick up from a supermarket. If yours is from a shop, it will be more even, which actually makes the arrangement easier. Mine went straight in raw. No blanching, no boiling, they were tender enough that it wasn't necessary. If yours still has some resistance when you bend it, 5 minutes in boiling salted water will sort it. Drain it, rinse it immediately under cold water to stop the cooking. And you're back on track. But if they are fresh and malleable, already skip it entirely. Set the asparagus aside for now. We'll trim it to size during the assembly. The filling is 1 bowl. 3 large eggs goes in first, ricotta 125 grams, and 100 grams of Parmesan, freshly grated, all of it. Season with salt, black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg. The nutmeg is subtle, but it's exactly what people can place when they ask what is in it. Don't skip it. Mix until combined. If it's slightly lumpy, that's fine. It doesn't need to be smooth. Now on the pastry, I used a store-bought short crust, pre-rolled, ready to go. Making pastry from scratch adds 45 minutes and one extra thing to get wrong. Today we skip it. If you want to make your own, I've left a full short crust recipe in the description. The assembly is what makes this tart look like you know exactly what you're doing. Watch. Line your pie dish with the pastry. Press it gently into place. Just your hand, no rolling pin needed at this stage. Now trim the asparagus spears. You want each one to reach from the center of the dish to the edge. Arrange them in a radial pattern, like the hands of a clock, pointing toward from the center. The offcuts, the pieces you trimmed, don't throw those away. Chop them small and scatter them into the gaps between the spears. Every part of the asparagus goes in. Then, spoon or pour the ricotta filling evenly over the top. It will settle into the gaps on its own. Now into a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. You're looking for 2 things. The filling is set, it doesn't wobble when you move the dish, and the top is lightly golden. Just watch the color. And that's it. French-inspired asparagus tart, 5 ingredients, 1 bowl. 20 minutes of active work. This is what smart, shortcut cooking looks like. You don't compromise on the result. So, if you enjoy practical word cooking videos that make global dishes feel more doable at home, subscribe because that's exactly what this channel is about. Thank you for watching.